Welcome to our journey through the top 40 most beautiful places in the world, presented in stunning 8K Ultra HD. Let's explore these breathtaking locations together. The ethereal beauty of Banff National Park in Canada with its turquoise lakes and majestic mountains. The stunning Santorini in Greece, known for its iconic whitewashed buildings and crystal clear waters. The vibrant cityscape of Tokyo, Japan, blending tradition and modernity seamlessly. The picturesque Amalfi Coast in Italy, with its charming villages and coastal views. The breathtaking landscape of the Grand Canyon in the USA, a natural wonder of the world. The serene beauty of Bora Bora in French Polynesia, a tropical paradise. The iconic Eiffel Tower and romantic streets of Paris, France. The mystical beauty of Machu Picchu in Peru, an ancient Incan citadel. The lush greenery and waterfalls of Picturesque National Park in Croatia. The vibrant reefs and clear waters of the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. The captivating northern lights over Iceland's stunning landscapes. The exotic charm of Marrakesh in Morocco, with its bustling markets and beautiful architecture. The tranquil rice terraces of Bali, Indonesia. The majestic Victoria Falls on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. The ancient temples and cultural heritage of Kyoto, Japan. The stunning fjords of Norway offering dramatic and serene views. The unique landscapes of Cappadocia, Turkey, known for its hot air balloon rides. The pristine beaches and vibrant nightlife of Miami, USA. The historical wonders of Rome, Italy, and of course the awe-inspiring cliffs of Moher in Ireland. The beautiful lavender fields of Provence, France. The wildlife and landscapes of Serengeti National Park in Tanzania. The colorful streets and rich history of Havana, Cuba. The scenic beauty of the Swiss Alps. And the exotic beaches and clear waters of the Maldives. The ancient ruins and vibrant culture of Athens, Greece. The bustling streets and cultural landmarks of New York City, USA. The serene landscapes of the Scottish Highlands. The picturesque Cinque Terre in Italy. The unique rock formations and beaches of Seychelles. The rich history and stunning architecture of Prague, Czech Republic. The beautiful canals and cultural heritage of Venice, Italy. The scenic beauty of Yellowstone National Park, USA. The tropical paradise of Fiji. The historical landmarks and vibrant culture of Istanbul, Turkey. The serene and picturesque Lake Bled in Slovenia. The vibrant street life and iconic landmarks of London, UK. The stunning beaches and rich culture of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The magical landscapes of Patagonia in Argentina and Chile. The exotic charm of the Galapagos Islands in Ecuador. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 40 most beautiful places in the world. We hope you enjoyed these stunning visuals in 8K Ultra HD. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.